This is a toy that I just bought and I'm going to try to make it self-driving. Now the beauty about this car is that it comes with a speaker and a couple of microcontrollers in there, and then it's really basic that there is literally nothing other than just making sounds about the car moving around, and that's pretty much it. It does not move, there's no servo in there, and that's something that I've been considering to add in there. Now another thing about this toy is that it comes with two AAA batteries, and I'm trying to think of an idea on how to take advantage of those batteries and how to repurpose them and use them in order to power up the servo and the rest of the mechanics. I think I'm gonna go with a simple FPV goggle that can help me to see where the car is going, and then sort of like look up a Seed Studio camera, tiny camera that I can connect to this toy, and then try to do some mechanics. I'm gonna do some programming as well. You guys, I'm welcoming your ideas on what I need to do on this car. And then the other thing I want to do is to change the tire system, the front system, so that the car can turn left and right. I'm pretty pumped about this toy and I want to play around. Now join me on my journey, and if you think this is a project that you've always wanted to take on, just go down in the comments below and share with me your ideas on what you expect to do on your project. Subscribe to the channel and let's build stuff. See you in the next video. Ciao.